In previous lessons, we've already covered the basics. What support and resistance levels are, how to find them, what candlestick patterns are, how trend lines work, and the difference between an uptrend and a downtrend. All of this is fundamental, but you'll agree, it's one thing to understand the theory and quite another to put it into practice, so that trades actually generate profit. Today I'll show you a strategy that's incredibly simple yet effective. Even a beginner can understand it, and it delivers constantly profitable results over the long term. The strategy is built on two things: RSI and support resistance levels. Essentially, the RSI is a tool that shows whether the price is overbought, has risen too high and is about to pull back, or oversold, has fallen too low and is about to turn back up. Support and resistance levels are the walls on the chart from which the price constantly bounces. When we combine those two tools, we get clear entry points, where to buy and where to sell. Let's get straight to the point. I open the indicators tab and select RSI. To make it easier to read, I make it larger. Now let's set the period. For quick trades, 1-3 minutes is ideal, with the period of 9. This helps catch short movements, so-called scalping. Don't set it longer, it will lag too much. Everything is ready, now let's go find our first trade, to demonstrate how it works in real time. I'm entering a short position. Look, we have a resistance level here. The price has already reached this level several times. It hit it once and rolled back. It came back a second time, and so then corrected again. And now it has hit this level again. And below it is a support level, where the price periodically returns. It's like a corridor. The ceiling above, the floor below. Now is the moment when the ceiling has been triggered again. Now let's look at the RSI. It's showing around 70, which is overbought. What does it mean? The price has been risen for too long, and the market is overheated. A pullback is logical to expect. A perfect match: resistance above plus RSI in overbought territory. I'm going short, and the entry point is perfect. The price hits resistance, the RSI confirms, and the trade closes in profit. It's simple and clear. Two things coincide, and the result is in hand. Now focus on support. The price touched the level from below. It's as if it bounced off the floor. I'm opening a long trade, expecting growth. I also check the RSI. It's around 30. This is the oversold zone. That is, the market is oversold. The price has fallen too much and should now recover. It's the perfect buy point. I enter and the target is clear. An upward move toward resistance. The trade closes in profit. I lock it in. Excellent. Let's move on looking for a new situation. I open another buy trade. The RSI hits 30% again, signaling that the price is already at a bottom and poised to rise. Plus, I see a support level from which it bounces. I enter the trade, and the reaction from buyers is immediately visible. The price immediately reverses upward. These are the most rewarding moments, when everything lines up and the market reacts instantly. Well, there was a slight setback, but ultimately the deal closed in our favor. This is the third in a row. I'm taking stock of the result and moving on. Now the situation is different. The price hits a resistance level again. The RSI is showing around 70%. This is overbought, meaning it's time to enter a bearish position. I open a trade expecting a downward correction, and the market indeed reacts as before. The price reverses and begins to fall. An excellent entry point, and the trade is paying off. This concludes the trading session. All trades close in profit, except for a couple of small corrections, but it didn't prevent me from taking my profit. Today you saw with your own eyes how the RSI and support resistance levels work together. is as simple as it gets. The price reaches the level, the RSI confirms, I enter the trade and take my profit. You can pick up this strategy today and start using. The key is practice and discipline. Try it yourself and see how it works. If you want to grow faster and be surrounded by a strong community of traders, join our Telegram channel via the link in the description or scan the QR code that you see on the screen. It's free. See you there. Learn, improve and earn. You can do it.